One of the things our customers love most about bringing their RV to Avalon RV is where we're located, Benicia, California. It's a small waterfront town with a lot of character. There's great food, walking trails, and views of the water. A kind of place you can enjoy while your RV is getting the love it needs. Drop your RV off and step straight into Benicia. You're not stuck waiting in an industrial zone. Avalon RV is just minutes from local shops. The waterfront, the dog park, and scenic trails. Downtown is full of local spots, great restaurants, live music, historic museums, boutiques, and artisan shops with that small town charm. So you can slow down for a bit and enjoy the wait. For us, Benicia isn't just where we work. It's part of the appeal. Great service with the Benicia experience. Avalon RV.